Here at the ELC, we have students from many different countries. There are some students that are the only one from their country. Look at me.
Yeah, for example, my friend Paulina, she's from Russia. Let's see what happens when Paulina goes to the vending machines. While you are watching, ask yourself, what languages are being used? And do you think the other students are being polite or impolite?
Pero yo te recomiendo este que tienes aquí.
근데 이거 진짜 맛있어. 아 진짜 이거 진짜 맛있어.
me gusta.
너 나중에 이거 진짜 꼭 먹어.
pero
지금 없으면 이거 먹어. 너
Ven.
맛있어.
이거 먹어봐야 하. 지금 없으니까 이거 먹어.
Yo no sé.
아 배고픈데.
먼저 이거.
내일 오겠지.
이거 그냥 시도해보세요. 그래?
나 먹어도 돼.
No, proba. Ah,
아
bueno.
갑자기 완전 배고파.
Quizá.
yo se lo voy a comprar. 먹을 거야?
난 이거.
이거? 아 근데 난 이거.
Wow, I know, I have been in situations like that and I do not like it. So, what was the problem in the scene? How do you think Paulina feels? Take a moment to write down some ideas or talk about them with your neighbor. We'll wait.
Ready? Okay, let's see an example of how students are being more polite.
Where's my sandwich? It's my favorite.
It's gone. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
I came for this too.
Oh really? But there's good food over there.
You can try that one.
Yeah, you can try.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
Nice, thank you.
So,
Are you getting something?
yeah, I want sandwich, but it's gone. So, what do you think?
Okay, that was a little different. What was different in that scene? In which scene was language used politely? Why was that scene more polite? Take a moment to think about these questions, and we'll see you next time.